Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the Device Unlock Master channel. In today's video, we will fully unlock a Unitel NetCasa Wi-Fi device so that it can work on almost all compatible networks worldwide. This is a router with the latest V5 security. Friends, we provide online unlocking services, and one of our viewers contacted us via YouTube after seeing our number. He requested that we unlock his router. He mentioned that he had taken it to several shops, but no one was able to unlock it. After searching on YouTube, he found our number, and now we're remotely connecting via AnyDesk to unlock it. We will show you full proof as we unlock this router so that it can work on networks around the world. If you also want to use any SIM network of your choice on your router, be sure to watch this video till the end. I will guide you step by step so that you can fully understand the process without any difficulty. If you don't want to waste time on long trials and repeated failures, this video will be very helpful for you, as I will explain the entire procedure in a concise, clear, and professional manner. So, let's begin the video without any further delay. The model number is B311-221, and its software version is 11.0.2.2, H697SP56983. Friends, first of all, please note that in order to unlock this router, we need to open it physically. Once opened, we have to solder a USB connection and create a USB cable. As you can see, we took a mobile charger data cable, cut it, and we have wired it here. We soldered 3 wires, no need for a 4th wire. You can see the 3 colors here, and above you can check the boot points. Using these, we will connect it in boot mode and flash the software. So if you also want to unlock your router in this way, you can open your router, perform this soldering, and contact us on WhatsApp. The software flashing will take a little time, so let's wait here briefly. Friends, if you also have a similar router, device, or pocket Wi-Fi modem that you would like unlocked, you can contact us and we can get it done for you in the same way. Let me clarify. To avail of our online service, you need to have a laptop or computer with an internet connection. Using AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer, you can unlock your router, modem, or Wi-Fi device online without any hassle. Our charges are reasonable and easily payable. Our contact number is displayed on the screen, +923607137. Please reach out to us on WhatsApp and from the comfort of your home, get any router, pocket Wi-Fi, or modem unlocked. I hope you enjoy our services. We always strive to provide our customers with quality, reliable, and guaranteed service. The router has been successfully unlocked. As you can see on the screen, this is the same router that previously showed a network status lock. Now it supports the SIM card, and it's working on the 4G AFRICELL network. We have a 4G signal coming through. Now this router can be used on all networks in every country without any hassle. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you'd like to stay updated on new software updates like this, please subscribe to our channel. Stay updated in the world of 4G and 5G by pressing the bell icon. You'll learn a lot here. I'll see you in another new topic. Until then, take care, keep us in your prayers, and goodbye.